What's happening, guys? Brian here. I'm gonna weld some D-rings onto this bad boy for easier transportation. A lot of people hook the chains onto the tracks. I just don't really like the idea of hooking them onto the tracks. As you can see, maybe let's see where. Your tracks break all the time. I mean, so let's see if I got any broken tracks on this side. Oh yeah, right there. Look at that. I mean, that track is totally toast. So you're putting, what is it, 20,000 pounds, you know, I mean, you're putting a lot of sideways pull on those tracks, and they're not really made for sideways pull at all, you know. So definitely gonna weld some D-rings on there, get that taken care of. So this is where I'm gonna weld them, pretty much. If I weld them onto this thick plate right here, they're not going anywhere. I can't weld them onto this. Well, I probably could, but the other side has a plate that is removable, and it's really thin. So if I want it the same on both sides, I'm gonna weld them up on this top. This is really thick metal. It'll definitely do the trick. So that's where we're gonna put them, right there. Just like that, guys. Just like that. Second pass. We'll do the second pass on the base metal, and then the third pass will be up on the top of this. But before we do too many passes on this side, we're gonna tack this side down. That way it doesn't lift up off. That's good enough. That ain't going nowhere now. Now we can lay the metal on this side. Okay, now you can see what I did. I built up a little base, and there's a little crack in there. Boom, time to fill that up.